Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very helpful, especially if you are new to crypto. We are going to explore one of the world's most popular crypto platform, Binance, and I will show you how to get started step by step. Before we begin, a quick note, this video is only for educational purpose. I am not a financial advisor and nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research before making any decision. Now let's get started. So first, what exactly is Binance? Binance is a global cryptocurrency exchange. It allows users to buy, sell and trade digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum and many others. It's known for a wide range of coins, low trading fees, advanced trading tools, strong security features. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, Binance offers something for everyone. So let's talk about registration. Viewers, creating an account on Binance is simple. Go to the official website binance.com and click on sign up. Here you can see the sign up button. There are two options. You can register your account with your email or your phone number. So enter your email address or phone number and then you will click on terms and conditions, and after it you will have to set a strong password and complete the verification process. After this you will receive a confirmation code, enter it and your account will be ready. Or if you want to go with short method, here you will click on continue with Google, and in this way you will be able to sign up your account. After registration, the next step is verification. This is called KYC. Know your customer. You will need to upload your ID card or passport, take a selfie, sometimes complete a face verification. This step is important because it increases your account limits and security. And the next step will be how to deposit funds. Now your account is ready, but you need funds to start trading. There are different main types. One is deposit crypto and buy with fiat currency. Here you can check out, there are different features for depositing funds. So viewers, if you already have crypto, you can send it to your Binance wallet, and if you want to buy with fiat currency, you can buy crypto using bank transfer, debit or credit card, local payment methods depending on your country. So you can also deposit like USD, and here you can also check out that the recommended methods are Apple Pay, bank transfer, card and Google Pay. So in this way you can proceed to deposit funds. Choose the option that is easiest for you. Now the next step will be how to trade, start trading. Now comes the exciting part, trading. Binance offers different types of trading, but let's keep it simple. Go to buy crypto. Here you can check out, go to the trade section, and here you will find different options like spot trading, p2p trading, demo trading, and here you can also check out convert and block trade and trading boards, copy trading, and many features are available. So viewers, you can check out that here you what you to do, choose a trading pair, for example BTC USDT. Decide if you want to buy or sell. So here you can check out two options. If you want to buy BTC, if you want to sell BTC, you will have to choose option, and then you will decide, enter the amount, and then you will click on buy or sell. That's it, your trade will be executed. So in this way you can make trades. Now we will discuss other trades types. Here you can check out p2p trading. You can buy USDT, you can sell them, and here you can also check out other features like copy trading and future trading. So here you can check out different master traders, you can copy them. And now I will explain different types of order. Beginners should focus on two: market order, this buy or sell instantly at the current price, and limit order, this lets you set your own price. The trade happens only when the market reaches that price. Start with the market order if you are new. So viewers, here you can also check out that before you start trading, keep these points in mind, and these are the tips for the beginners. And I would like to recommend all my viewers and beginners that they should start with small amount. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Learn before you trade, avoid emotional decisions, and you should use stop loss if possible. And crypto markets can move very fast, so always be careful. So next feature is referral program. Here you can check out that you can refer and earn free rebates, and here your referral link has been created. Just share it with your friends and social media followers and be part of the referral program. Now I will explain some security features of the Binance also provides strong security options. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication, anti-phishing code, and withdrawal with whitelist. These features help protect your account from unauthorized access. Viewers, many users choose Binance because of huge variety of cryptocurrency, easy to use interface, advanced tools for pro traders, regular updates and features. It has become one of the leading platforms in the crypto space. If you prefer using your mobile phone, Binance also has a mobile app. It allows you to trade anytime, track prices, manage your portfolio. This app is beginner friendly and very convenient. If you want to download the application, QR scan code is also available on the website. And here you can also check out that the Apple link, Window link, and Linux link have been provided here. You can download it in Android version, and its Apple version, Window version, or Linux version. So that was a complete beginner friendly introduction to Binance from registration to trading. If you are just starting your crypto journey, take your time, learn step by step, do not rush into trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who want to learn about crypto. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.